Let's talk about women's fear of investing. So if you watched my video last week, I talked about the top 3 mistakes women make when it comes to money. The first is they keep too much of their money in cash. So they're keeping 70% of their money in cash or a savings account. The second thing is how women are raised and how they view their risk and investing too conservatively. And the third thing is all around women feeling like they need to be super educated before they could possibly put a dollar into the market. So this week I want to talk about what is going on with women. Why do they have such a strong fear when it comes to investing? The first thing is their relationship with money. So this is a big conversation. We're not going to cover it all in one video, but everyone has a relationship with money from the time they were young. So it could have been how you watched your parents with money. It could have been watching your parents fight over money. It could have been a bad relationship you were in. There's so many things that happen in our life that actually create this relationship. And it's either going to be very functional or it could be very dysfunctional, and I guess somewhere in between. But it's important to start thinking about how you are with money and if you might need to adjust the way you respond to money or how you manage your own money. So the relationship conversation is a big one, but it's important to think about whether or not you have a good relationship or a healthy relationship with money, or whether it's quite dysfunctional. So for example, another fear that women have when it comes to investing is a high percentage of women say they don't trust banks. And so one way to kind of get yourself over that fear is to find an advisor you really connect with. And if you can trust the advisor and connect with the advisor, it's likely that you can kind of get over that fear. If you want more resources on financial planning and investing, please click the link below. And remember, invest and you can keep buying those lattes.